Hey guys, today we're looking at this jack we just got in. It's from RUTU, I guess is how you pronounce it. Motorcycle lift. This is the small one, or the lower one. It does great on the 110. I'm sure it'd be great on a 50 and a 65. We use it, I've been using it on the 85. It doesn't lift both tires up, but it is sturdy. It keeps it from tipping over. I'm sure to get a 65 completely off the ground. It comes in a larger size for bigger bikes. And I'll probably end up getting one of those for my KLX 230. But we really like this jack. It's very sturdy. The hydraulic dampener there, it really helps. It doesn't slam down when you release it. It eases the bike down. Helps it when he picks it up. Weighs about 12 pounds. Yeah, I think 12 and a half pounds is what it weighs. I did weigh it. It is 8 inches wide, 11 inches long, or 11 inches wide, 8 inches long on the lifting pad. Get a good look underneath it. Has a locking pin. But so far I really like this. If you're interested in it, where we got it, they have an Amazon store. I will leave a link to this in the description of the video. But yeah, it works good. I mean, I really like it. It works very well.